Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to unbox something with you as I've got earphones, so let's unbox it. So I've got them at Adorama store and they came in box like this. It's hard to open because it's glued together. So box inside looks like this, and let's see what it has. Here is order number and price. So I've got Bose Quiet Comfort 35 wireless headphones, and then we have this stuff, and here it is. They're looking like this. Hope it's not fake one. So it looks like this. It's made for iPod, iPhone, iPad. Hope it's also compatible with MacBook. Hope so. Not, I will be not happy. So let's open it. And here it says Netherlands. So we are from European Union, but made in China. And we have Google Assistant built in, as it says here. And this one is number 2, so they have noise cancelling feature. So let's open them. Noise cancelling feature. So I remove this stuff. Wow, it opens like this, and then like this. Here is some foam, and download the Bose Connect app for setup, and then slide the button so the app can find your headphones here. And it comes in such case. Here it has something like this. Oh, and this is here something like you can put on something here. Great for travel. Ta-da! So this is how they look inside. Here we have also something to stick. So they come with cable and with, I guess it's another cable that can make charging possible. Let's unbox it. Yeah, so it's USB charger cable and micro USB. And let's see what does it got. And here are the headphones and some foam. So headphones looks like this. Very funny. here is this button that you can plug it and it can be pushed, I guess, or slided when it's connected to Bluetooth. Do you hear it? It says ready to connect. Funny. Inside it looks like this. Wow. I hear my heart beating them. And here we have phone. They are good, I guess. And here are some buttons that I didn't mention. I guess it's volume regulation, and also here is charging hole. I mean charging place that you can charge. So here are buttons that you regulate your volume. Here is this button that you can plug to Bluetooth, and yeah, here you connect cable. Don't know what this button is for. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for today unboxing. How they work will tell you in another video, maybe in future. So let me know if you would like such video. And for now I have to go, and thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next ones. Bye.